Hi friends, welcome back. It's Julianne here, Daughter Raw, and you're in my kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare one of my staple meals. I make this quite regularly. It sustains me for probably about half the day. I make it really big. If I don't finish it all in one sitting, then I've got a snack for later on. And I thought this would be really good for those of you who want to try a raw meal to start transitioning over. It's really easy. You can do it before work, prepare it the night before even, and away you go. Now I try to put things from my own garden, homegrown, or if I have to fill it out, then I get things from the supermarket, and I try to get organic whenever possible. If it's not organic, then I scrub the bejesus out of it. All right, let me show you the ingredients I've got right here. Now, before I do, if you've been enjoying my videos so far, please remember to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up and leave me some comments. All right, let me show you. I've listed all of the ingredients that you see here and the method in the description down below. Let's get started. This is a very easy meal to make. Just chop everything up and add it to your bowl. Add your avocado with some squeezed lemons. This is your sauce for this recipe. It gives it a really good base and it's so yummy and creamy. Mash it up and lap up every last bit. Add some apple cider vinegar and pop in your sauerkraut. I squeeze out most of the liquid from the sauerkraut, and then let's add the other chopped ingredients. I've got capsicums and now some cabbage and mushrooms. You can add any veggies that you like. Pop in some garlic, and then let's pop our alfalfa in and coriander. Now we're ready to spiralize our zucchini into zoodles. Cut them up with scissors so that they're not 100 foot long when you attempt to eat them. Let's flavor it with some ground cumin and some cayenne pepper too to give it a little kick. Oops, I nearly forgot the tomatoes. Okay, let's chop these, and it's time for Audrey and I to eat. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. Give it a try at home. Let me know how you go. Bye.